Hello traders, just bought Caterpillar stock right here at 110.02. I'm going to call out my entry point into blue. Okay, use blue here. That's the blue line here. That's my entry point. I will use 40 pip stop loss, 40. All right, bringing me down at 109.60, like that, somewhere below this candle here. Okay, hold on, please. By the way, for traders that are new to us, we are the TSTW, okay, 24 traders. And our website is www.stochasticmacd.com for general trading, www.24elliottwaves.com for Elliott wave trading, www.dayprotrader.com for advanced trading. So this is my stop loss here, using a 40 pip, color it into all right, dark green. That's not bad. That's my stop loss here, 40 pip, 40. Game on. And the title of this video is how to day trade like a striker. All right. So this is the World Cup. So the strikers are the players that will score the goals. And as we have seen in this World Cup, the best strikers do not miss the opportunity. They recognize the best opportunity and they take it. All right, the same thing as a day trader. We want to day trade like a striker, taking the opportunity, scoring goals, taking profits consistently, being very agile. Okay. All right. So what's happening here, ladies and gentlemen? Why am I buying this stock? All right. So if we follow the setup, okay, we follow the trading drill, we must first, if you are using TSTW24, you are a day trader, you must find first a trading setup. If you are going to the first best time frame, taking signals, that's not the best approach. Find first excellent setup. If you are using the Nice trade, this is another, okay, document that we give to TSTW24 traders. Find excellent setups, okay, patterns, all right, then wait for the signal and zoom into it, okay, on the entry point. Now, in this video, you may see that I'm doing things differently here because I do not plot any indicator on this chart at all, though we use indicator. At the end of the day, as I told you, the first stage of trading is about learning about the technical indicators, all right. The second stage, all right, it's about mastering volume trading, fractal trading, Fibonacci trading. The third stage is the mastering the Elliott wave. By the fourth stage, it's about looking at the price alone and being free and look at the price alone, paying attention to the market patterns, okay, and trading the price alone. This is what I'm doing here, okay. So I'm not using any indicator, but I will put on my chart the volume bar. So this is the second stage of trading, okay. I want to put on my chart the volume bar. This is to go into the mind of other traders, the level 2 traders, all right, and the market makers. Because I'm trading a stock, it's great to know what's to have the volume bar on my chart, okay. For traders that are trading forex, okay, we don't have a volume bar. So use instead MACD or something else, all right? Or use TSTW24, okay? So here we are, my entry point 11002. I need to remind trader that I will have to pause the video at some stage because live day trading can take ages. So I don't want the video to be 3 hours. So I'll be pausing the video as we are going along, okay? So beautiful so far, what's happening here? So we can see that as the market opened today, after the Independence Day for the Americans, so it looks to me that on Thursday, a lot of professional traders were very careful, and there must be some stop loss placed here to protect their trade because the stock was bullish. So if you go now, let's go to the daily charts. I want to explain to you what's happening here. So this is Thursday before Friday. Friday was a bank holiday in the United States, which is the Independence Day, the 4th of July. If you are trading stock, you want to pay attention to the American holidays, okay, so you don't get into trouble and know what's going on. All right. So today is Monday. So here we are. So the market was bullish on Thursday because this is normal. We say to trade the last day of the week very often can be bullish. Friday, how to day trade on Friday. Check it out at www.youtube.com/user/George Trio channel. So instead of Friday, because Friday was bank holiday, so the market was bullish on Thursday. All right. Now, so suppose you were here, okay, you were a professional trader and you were bullish and the price went up big time. And you know that the market will not open on Friday because of the holiday. So what will you do? You protect your gain. So you move your stop loss very close, okay, up somewhere here. All right. A lot of professionals will do that. So if it gap up, you are still in the trade. But if it gap down, they close your trade for you profitably. So there are orders somewhere here in this zone near the high of this candle. So what did I say to you? Do you remember? Where there are orders, the price will go there. So it's not surprising because if orders, you see, that's where the price did close last time. Orders are here to protect their trading. Orders, plenty of orders here. Look where the price gap down to fill these orders. Okay. Now, you may notice that I've been a bit aggressive here, but I will explain to you why I'm doing that. It's a bit risky, but it's a control risk because the green line that you see here, the light green line, is the low of last Thursday, which is the last day of the week, because the market was not open on Friday, okay? So that's the low. So the price gap down deep below the low of last Thursday, and then went back above it. So what the price has done, it went down and started changing direction. So you may also see that on this 3-minute chart, my obsession with the 3-minute chart, all right, because my name is Trio, all right. So this trend line here, if you accept that on the 3-minute chart was kaput, and the price started going up, and I enter here, and I place my stop loss below this candle here, all right. It's not bad, it's not too bad, but it's a bit risky. Why am I buying? Okay, so the low, the high, and the median line of daily candle, weekly candle, monthly candle, these are key levels. So I'm not buying anyhow. There's this level here, which is the low of last Thursday. I'm using that as a support level, and the price also has changed direction. I'm a bit early. I agree, okay? We do that sometime. I will not hide that from you. We do that sometime. But it's I know what I'm doing, and I'm fully responsible for it. And if they take me out, okay, I will know that, okay, I push it a bit too far, all right? And I've been kicked out. So who should I blame? Myself, okay? 1 second, please. All right? So I entered the trade here. But why was my setup, okay? I will show you my setup on a daily chart. I'm using a flat correction. So traders that are following us at www.youtube.com/user/24 Elliott Wave, the 24 Elliott Waves channel. Okay, I was explaining to you that the flat correction pattern is being formed here, but we cannot take it for granted. We will not use the Elliott Wave like a science, okay, but we can use it as a guidelines, okay, to make decisions. So the price went up from here all the way up here, come down 1, 2, 3, and then went up 1, 2, 3. As I'll explain this to you in another video that we call How to Trade Like a Pro, Part 3. I have already posted on our 24 Elliott Wave channel, How to Trade Like a Pro, Part 1. I'll be, okay, releasing part 2 on Wednesday and the part 3 on Friday. So stay tuned, okay? So I have a pattern that is being formed here. It's a area wave flat correction. And my expectation, the price does not have to do it. So my expectation is that the price should continue, at least because you see here, when it starts going up, first time here, 1, 2, 3, there was a distortion here. This level here is a distortion. So then the price resume again and go up like this, okay? So we will expect it to go to the level of 112 zone, 11294, that's the exact level, but we prefer to go in a zone of 112, okay? So I believe there should be some continuation here. All right, to complete the pattern somewhere here, 11294, with that remain to be seen. If you are trading, we are always talking about probabilities, not certainty, okay? So this was my setup, a flat correction, waiting for the last lap, okay? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We are now in the third part, waiting for it to complete it, to go to the correct level. Now, nothing can stop trader to sell it here and bring it down to the short-term equilibrium price level. The short-term equilibrium price level for Caterpillar is a 10639. So that's the level we need to watch for the next 2 weeks. So if we manage, that would be better for us if they allow it to come to complete the pattern and we receive a sell signal here, we will swing trade it, bringing it down to the short-term equilibrium price level here at 10639. That remains to be seen too. So this was my setup. Okay, I told you that I was a bit aggressive. I did not wait too long. All right. So one can also say that this can be a profit taking because on Monday there is a profit taking portfolio adjustment. So traders coming to today to their office, okay, they see their profit here. Some are taking profit very fast, and this can be a profit taking. You can see this volume bar here. There was a surge in trading volume. Price went down. Now it's going back up a bit here, and I bought it. We will see. All right. So this volume bar, we want to see another volume bar here, taller than this. That will be better for us, supporting this move to the upside. So this is how I come to buy these stocks. So I have a setup for day trading, for swing trading. We must have a setup. A setup. You buy TSCW34, find a value setup, use the Nice trade, use the patterns, then switch to the first best time frame. Trade on the edge. Value support level, value resistance level, highlight the high, the low, and the median line. Watch the video that we call how to day trade on Wednesday, on Thursday, and Friday. Okay, you want to know and apply. Okay, the trading idea part 1, part 2. Okay, all right. This is what we are doing here. So I've been talking to you now 30 minutes, not too bad. As I explained to you, we'll have to pause the video during this recording because we don't want the video to be too long. So I'm in this trade at 110.02, a stop loss 109, okay, 60, okay, 10960. That's what we are doing here. The market is now a little bit quiet now. The time in London, this is the time. One thing also you will notice, I entered the trade before 10 p.m. Eastern time. What I recommend to trader, wait until 10 a.m. That's what I say to you. It's a bit risky what I'm doing here. All right. But that was my decision. Do not try to copy my trading style. Develop your own trading style, but do not violate the trading, okay, drill, trading triangle, and the market patterns. So 10 a.m. is the best time, which is 3 a.m. or 1500 p.m. in London. So this was going on here. Okay? All right? The flat correction is a beautiful pattern, and that I recommend to day traders and swing traders to learn a master. Okay? All right? Beautiful setup. Okay? So though we are day trading at this, we know that there are sellers in this market because as the pattern is reaching the maturity, so to speak, We are near it. Traded that way in this trade, buying swing traders. If it's taking too long, you see here it was blah blah blah. They don't like traders don't like this. So you are profitable, and then blah blah blah. The target is here. Why are we not hitting the target? Why is it taking so long? Some traders will bank their profit and go because they don't like it. They don't want to give away their profit. So there are some people taking profit, people selling in this session here, which make our day trading a bit tricky. So though we are buying, it's a bit risky because there are some people already selling, these aggressive sellers in this zone of 11294. So we need to be aware of it. So in this case, we will not move our stop loss or force it. So we are aware of it. So today is Monday. Monday can be tricky because of portfolio adjustment, profit taking, and blah, 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 looking ahead. And on Monday, you go to Forex Factory. And now we are trading in Caterpillar. We can go to Google Finance. Okay, check the news relating to these stocks. And if you haven't checked the fundamental, you have to check the fundamental and do the Google Acid test. If you don't know what is Google Acid test, go to George Trio channel and check the video that we call Google Acid test. All right. Okay. So now there's not much to say because I'm already in this trade. And if you like, I'll let it run for you for a while. Check our recording. So we let it run here for another 4 minutes. If nothing special is happening here, I will pause it and all right, I'll pause it and I will come back to it. Okay. Let's go now to the 30-minute chart and see what's going on there. A lot of professionals use the 30-minute chart. Okay, you can do exactly the same thing. It's a very friendly. You can see. Okay, this hammer here. So it will be nice to have another bullish candle, and trader will see and say that this is a candlestick pattern. So this will be nice for this candle to be bullish. So that will give us confidence in our bullish trade. So on a 30-minute chart, trader use candlestick patterns also, okay, to make decisions. All right. See here, this is an inverted hammer here, followed by bullish candle. Learn the candlestick pattern also, okay? And I can apply it. A TSCW24 trader that understands the candlestick pattern can also make a decision. So you see a beautiful candlestick pattern, okay, on a higher time frame, and then from there you switch to the first best time frame, all right? Or you see a valid, okay, setup, can be candlestick pattern, can be Elliott wave pattern, can be Fibonacci pattern, can be chart pattern, can be market pattern, and then from there, okay, you switch to the first best time frame. Though the TSCW24 is very simple, you don't want to fight it, okay? You don't want to fight it, okay? Keep you on the right side instead of using, okay, some other crazy trading, okay, method. Very simple, okay, very simple. Trading should be simple. Market pattern is the number one thing we are looking at. We don't want to violate the market pattern. That's it. Don't look for any miracle. Don't look for anything complicated, okay? So far, we are surviving. We are surviving, so it's great. All right. Go back again to the 30-minute chart. One thing we want to check how long before this candle will close. So the best scenario for us to close above the high of this hammer up here, somewhere up here. Okay, that would be great for us. This candle got another 23 minutes. So you see now, let's see the time now, 7 minutes past 10 a.m. in New York, 7 minutes past 3 p.m. in London. So in 23 minutes, this candlestick on the 30-minute chart will close. Some traders will wait because at 10 a.m., which is 3 p.m. in London, 10 a.m. Eastern time, traders are some professional, no, they are watching the 30-minute chart. So they see this hammer like this. So price went down all the way here. They push it back here. They are waiting for this candle. Now, if this candle is completed, okay, and it's bullish, there's a high chance that we may see more buyers because of this pattern here. All right. Okay. So a trader may wait for this candle to close if it's bullish, And then he or she may decide, okay, to day trade if he or she is bullish. All right? We can apply the same strategy on the hourly chart. The reason why traders use the 30-minute chart, because, you know, for the market, we have, when the market is open, we got the first 2 hours is the best time for day trading. So they don't want to wait 1 hour before they make a decision. That's why traders prefer the 30-minute chart. Okay? All right? For forex trading, you can wait an hour if you want to, because forex is quite dynamic, moving very, very fast. Caterpillar also is a stock that moves very fast. You're seeing some activity here. So we want to see more buyers coming in, see some volume here, and that will be great for us, okay? Why are we recording this video? Okay, because I have some traders that stay with us for a long time, and they understand what we are trying to do, which we like, because very often what is happening is traders, a lot of traders has lost. I lost myself before. I lost a lot of money. In fact, I consider myself the best loser, okay? So you were losing, you were losing, you were losing. But traders are not stupid. They are always, even there will be a time when traders will come out of the market completely, okay? Stay aside. Traders are always thinking how they can, okay, make profitable decisions. Okay, maybe you are trading the wrong financial instrument, or maybe you are trading forex. Forex is too much for you. You can't combine the economy news and all the blah, blah, blah. Some traders decide to trade stocks. So if that's you, you may decide to try stocks. But do not trade any stocks. Trade stocks that are listed on major indices. Depending on your risk tolerance, you may decide, for some traders, this stock is too big. Look for other stock, but the stock must move if you are a day trader. This is why we say to TSCW24 traders, don't trade financial instruments that stay in one place with the TSCW24. Why? Financial instruments should move. They should move. You are a day trader, you want to get paid. You don't want to enter the trend and sit down and say, come on, come on, come on, come on. Don't talk to the chart. You won't listen, okay? Don't talk to the chart. All right? Don't talk to the chart. Just be quiet. And if you are trading the wrong financial instrument, change it. Or you are using the wrong trading tool. What do I mean by that? Some traders are using CFD. Some traders are using spread betting. Some traders are using binary trading. So check what is binary trading. Is that good for you? Check option trading. Is that good for you? So you want to find out your trading identity. Which one is suitable for you? We allow you to control the risk, which is the number one, to control the risk. For me, personally, the market is overloaded with a lot of debt, especially with the CFD traders. I don't want to receive any margin call. I want to know whether I lost, and that's the end of the matter. I go to bed. If I lost, I know that I lost. End of the matter. I don't want anybody to phone me, add more money to my ET. But there are some advantages for the CFD, because with small money, you can, maximize your gains. Okay. Is binary betting better for you? Okay, all right, use binary betting. In that case, you don't have to worry about stop loss, but you give it the whole day or whatever you want to do and use that. Okay? Is the option that's better for you if you are swing trader? Okay. How much are you paying the commission, and compare the risk-reward ratio. Always stick to the 5% money rule. If it's not working, go back to the blackboard. Use demo account and work on your ability to trade the market pattern, nothing else. First, the trading drill. Set up the signal and the low risk entry point. All right? Like now, you see what I've done here. If you work against me, I will not complain. Why? Okay? The low of last Thursday, which is the day before Friday, which was the bank holiday in the United States, the price went down all the way here. That was the lowest point. But it closed up. As the market opened today, it gapped down. So there were people who buy from this low last Thursday. Okay? It was in fact a bullish candle. From the opening price on Thursday, price went up and closed bullishly. So if they are truly bullish, and they will buy again here. Some people bought it here, and the price went up from here all the way up here. So price returned back here, and they start changing direction. That's why I joined them straight away. But I'm using a setup, a trading drill. The trading drill will allow you to adopt the mindset of a professional trader. You don't find a value setup, you walk away. Sometimes you may go around looking at chart. If you're trading forex, you look at the pound dollar, you look at the euro USD, you look at the dollar yen. These are the three currency pairs that I trade most of the time. Euro USD, pound dollar, dollar yen. That's enough. Don't go around with forex trading many forex, especially if you're trading using the TSCW24, because of the correlation between currency pairs. They are not independent. The euro is controlling the pound dollar, the dollar, the Australian dollar, US dollar currency pair. And if you just go and buy and sell anyhow, because of the correlation, you can mess up your trading account. You want to align your signal with the correlation in the currency market. The stocks, what is happening with the stocks, okay? We talk about the trading triangle. We are trading first the market. Okay, now let's go and see the Dow Jones. So we are talking about this. Because this stock is listed on the Dow 30, let's go and see the Dow Jones. Okay. It's coming up, okay? It's a bit slow sometimes, this software. I don't know why. Maybe it's my internet. Excellent software though, TC2000. Okay, it will come up. Here it is. I want to go to the 3-minute chart. The same thing you see the Dow Jones also. We are on a 3-minute chart. It gapped down. Now it displays double bottom here on a 3-minute chart, and it's going up. So this, if we consider this as a distortion, trader who understand will highlight the high and the low of this candle on the 3-minute chart. Okay, so trader are watching the media line now. Some trader will try to sell where we are now, the Dow Jones. Well, that's what I say to you. This is, we can use the Dow Jones as the market. Okay? The same volume bar you see here. What's going on? We expected another volume bar here. Okay? To support this move. All right? Okay, so this is the Dow Jones. Let's go to the daily chart for the Dow Jones. Okay. So there is a kind of an inverted head and shoulder here for the Dow Jones on the daily chart. Do not stop on the daily chart. You see something like this. Validate the setup. Use a conservative measurement. It's a setup. You see a setup, you must validate the setup. How do you validate the setup? You go to the higher time frame. Now let's go to the weekly chart and see what we have there. At least on the weekly chart, the market pattern is bullish. It's a rising channel. Okay. All right. Not too bad. Okay. Let's go to the monthly chart. Have a bigger picture of what's going on here. Same scenario. We are now in the month of July. This is the beginning of the month of July. Okay, we are also above the high of last month. So it's great. If you're above the high of last month, we can still continue to buy if you receive a buy signal. But if you return back below the high of last month, we need to be careful. You see, this is how we validate our setups. All right, validation or setup. Okay. So for instance, here, if I see that the Dow Jones was below the high of last month, okay, we need to be careful. Okay, this kind of exercise we are doing the market first, the sector before the financial instrument. Okay, S&P 500, SPS. So they say to me, Joe, why do you do all this? Okay, because when I start trading first, I struggle. I see sometimes some video, it's all about blah, 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 blah. And sometimes traders are careful. They don't want to share their strategy, which is normal. Some traders don't want to share it. You can't blame them for it. So they will talk to you, but they won't tell you exactly what is their, okay, their effective strategy. So they don't want to talk about it. We can't blame them. I think traders should share their strategy, unless it's confidential, like TSCW24 is confidential, TSCW0 is confidential. We will not share it. If you share it, you are just doing something you're not supposed to do. Don't share it. We have other free trading system that trader can download on our website for free. Go to www.stochastic.com, click on document, register for free, re-log in for free, and download our free systems. You can see other free system on the internet. But when it's confidential, in the trading, in the financial market, I need to tell you that you are working for a bank, you are working for a hedge fund, you are working for anybody. If they say proprietary trading tool, don't talk about it. It's unprofessional, and that will give you all sorts of problems. Don't do it. If they say it's confidential, that's a good advice. I'm telling you now, don't do it. Okay? When I started trading first, traders told me few things. They said to me, George, this market is controlled. And it's true. All right? It's controlled. Don't go around doing this anyhow. All right? Okay? So here we are. So there is a media line also. This is the S&P 500. I have my monthly chart. So this is what we call the market. You are in India, you are in Singapore, you are in Japan, you are in Africa, you are in Europe. This is what we call the market, okay? The S&P 500. You want to see it and know what's going on here, all right? So we have a very nice bullish channel, but we can use, so now there's no resistance visible here in front of us. So how do we know the key level? We will use Fibonacci extension to detect the hidden support and resistance level. In this case, there's no resistance here. The last resistance was here. So we'll use instead Fibonacci extensions to detect the hidden resistance up somewhere here, the 138, 161%, 214%, or this key level 314% extensions on your chart to know the key levels. You will also use the chart pattern. Okay, target zone. You see there's a round button here, pass way around, return back to the cycle point, draw a line from here and project it to the upside. Now draw a line also on the median line of the target, okay, and so on. You can use a channel projection, which we call market geometry, all right, to detect the hidden support and resistance level. You see this channel here? This line and this line is a channel. Okay, the price is above it, project it to the other side. This will allow you also to detect the key level. This is what we call market geometry. If it goes above it, and so on, and so on. All right? So let's go to the 3-minute chart for the S&P 500, which is the market itself. Okay, same scenario, drop down, display candle double bottom here. 3-minute chart, behaving like the Dow Jones index. You see? Go back again to the Dow Jones. All we care about is that trader make best decision. You have many traders in the market making excellent decisions. You are likely to make more profit. You see traders doing all sorts of crazy trading, selling anytime the stochastic is overbought, designing crazy high frequency trading tools. The market will be distorted, and in the end, the market will correct itself. And if the market is distorted for too long, the correction is sharp. No. All right. I said it 100 times, so you are fed up with me, all right? Okay, let's go back to our lovely Caterpillar to see whether they have already kicked me out of my train. Okay, it's working beautifully. So we check the time now. It's 22 minutes past 3. Okay. PM in London, 10:22 a.m. Eastern Time, all right? So this candle still got, on a 30-minute chart, as I told you, we still got 8 minutes before our 30-minute candle will be closed. So I will let the video run for another 8 minutes. And after that, I will pause the video, okay? And then we will come back to it, okay? So far, okay, we are surviving, which is great. We enter here 110.02. It's now, we got, okay, the price now at 31, 110. 31, okay, that's 29 pips. we can take this profit and walk away. All right? It's up to us, okay? So we want to keep eyes on the time. The first 2 hours is the best time. All right? So at least, okay? Well, we got a bit more time. So we are not yet in a gap period. So we can hang around a little bit, okay? Do not forget the gap period, first 2 hours, and then the gap period, and the last hours, okay? Go back to the 30-minute chart. I hope you like this video. What we recommend to traders, okay, do not be shy to share things. I share a lot of things on the internet. What we have seen now on the internet, people, I have noticed that for the Elliott wave traders, they don't share a lot of things. It's very bad, okay? It's very bad. If you like it, share it, okay? If you don't like it, don't share it, okay? Don't share anything you don't like, okay? If you like it, share it. You go to Google Plus, somebody posts something that you truly like, okay? Google Plus it. You are on Facebook, somebody posts something that you truly like, share it or like it. So other traders see it and see, yes, this is good stuff. I want to check it myself. So they look at the rating and they say, oh, this is good. They look at it, all right? So rate it, okay? Rate it. But what we have seen a lot of SEO people, blah, 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 people don't, or sometimes traders do not log on when they are watching videos, or they don't log on. If you don't log on, you don't log in, you cannot rate things. You must log in. So one of the best thing about the Android phone, everybody is constantly, okay, log in. So you sign in first time with your email with your Android phone, you are in all the time. So anytime you are watching video on YouTube on your Android phone, you are, if you have an account with YouTube, you are logged in. All right? You want to share on Facebook, you must log in. You must log in. If you don't log in, you can rate it, you can like it, you can rate it. Your feedback is very important, okay? And also it's helping other traders, okay, to know that, okay, this is good, okay, this is good. We discover things on the internet by the recommendation of other people or by the rating of other people, which is great. But sometimes people put, there is also another thing that we can talk about. This is nothing to do with trading. And there is also the competitors. Competitors go and mark down other. I've seen it when we posted a video on our YouTube channel, 24 Elliott Way, one of the video, and somebody designed a software and went there and did some crazy thing until Google contacted us, which is unfair. These are competitors go and do things to mess up other people, and people mark video down, not because the video is bad or try to write a bad review about their competitors so they can have more market share. I mean, again, go and invent if you want to compete, okay? Keep inventing new things. You have a monopoly, all right? You create a unique product, you dominate the market. Innovate, do not compete. The best competition is innovation. That's my personal view. I don't worry about my competitors. If they post something, if you go to our website, you will see videos about other traders. All right? We like videos, like it. But, I mean, I don't know, people want to be negative all the time, which is something sad in this world. That's why the world is like this. So be free from that. Don't get involved in those things. You want competition? Innovate. Create your own products. All right? Go into yourself, discover something new that your competition could not find out. So you in that space, they can't compete with you because they don't know anything about how to, for instance, for us, the short-term equilibrium price level, okay? What is the equilibrium price level? We put this all the time there. Okay, are you doubting it? This recently we put for Apple stock the short-term equilibrium price level. Okay, that's where the price went to. Okay, okay, you just need to know 9314. All right. In that zone somewhere here. I'm on the 3-minute chart. Okay, let's go to the 50-minute chart, maybe hourly chart. Here it is. I didn't remove it. Traders who are following, I know that the turquoise line is the short-term equilibrium past level. We posted this on Facebook. So look, on the dot, it came back and retested the short-term equilibrium past level on the dot, 9314. It's still on my chart here. All my drawing from the daily chart is still here. You see, this is my short-term equilibrium past level. And we post this on Facebook before the price retests that short-term equilibrium price level. You still don't believe it? Okay, let's go to my Facebook page and I can show you that, okay? This is my Facebook page. Hopefully we see now which stock is this. Yeah, here it is. Here it is, 9314, that's the turquoise line here. And we post this on the 1st of July. Where are we? Is it correct? My date there, or is it the chart? Yeah, 2nd of July, right here. Here it is. Trend in Apple stock, the current resistance is 9502. The price may seek to retest it. Know that there is a better resistance than 138. That's why we say to trade that the price will try to revisit the 138% Fibonacci extension zone in the zone of 103.08. The price now above the short-term equilibrium price level at 9314. So the point I want to make to you, to dominate one sector is to innovate. Create something that's unique. Don't go and try to sabotage your competitors or do something that you know is illegal just to mess up people. Here it is, come back, retest the short-term equilibrium, boom. All right, you see now? So why are we sharing this? Why are we talking about this? Because we want the world to be a better place, isn't it? That's what everybody wants. Even those who are trying to sabotage their competitors, they still want something good out of this world. So, I mean, help people if you can. That's what we are doing here. So far, so where was the time now? Now this candle here on the 30-minute chart is completed. Which candle is this? Yeah, that's it. It's completed. We go to the 30-minute chart for Caterpillar. I was just sharing some of my opinion with you while we are waiting for the price. So this candle is completed. On the 30-minute chart, we have the hammer, we have the bullish candle. So we will expect this to be bullish. But if we come back down, then we have to put a question mark on what's going on here today. All right. Another thing we need to highlight to traders, I'll go to the 3-minute chart and I'll do that now before we post the video. Yes. So one thing, according to the Steve Nissen, I talk about it. This is another person that is also in the market. Somebody who is doing something great, you need to mention it. So our traders don't go and check. Steve Nissen is the master of candlestick pattern. You see now? Somebody doing something great, okay, say it. So he said that when you see a gap like this, okay, the gap, see the gap down like this, up to this line, the median line, it's a key level that trader must watch. This level here, we must watch it, the median line of the gap. All right? I will be recording video soon about candlestick, be ready for it. You will be surprised. And when we are talking about a candlestick trading, we are talking about a mind game, a proper mind game in this market. So you see a candlestick pattern, it's all about a mind game. Let's go back again to the 30-minute chart. And I will share some of my thoughts with you. Okay, I need to change time and hopefully my data will come sometime. My apologies, traders. It will come, all right? Very interesting. All right. Okay. I want 30 minutes, okay? So you see this candle here. This is a hammer, yes or no? It's a hammer. Price went down, close up. So price opens here, and went down all the way here. Some people bought it. That's why it closed above. So you see the candle high at the high, the low, and the median line. It went down all the way here and closed above, well above the median line of this candle. It's bullish. That's the first thing you need to understand about a hammer. You see, it closed well above the median line. This beautiful bullish candle. The second candle must be bullish, because if it's truly bullish, all right, it must continue to display a new higher high. You understand the definition of the uptrend. New higher high. The attention is on the high when we want to buy. The attention is on the low if you want to sell. All right? So it must display new higher high according to the definition of the uptrend alone. Here it is. The price display new higher high. Okay? But this time we pay attention to the closing price. It closed nicely, bullish candle. So with these two information, it's looking bullish. The price is changing direction. Now, this is the mind game, okay? So other traders see that, they know that it's a bullish candlestick pattern. They may decide to sell. These are the contrarian traders. They want to challenge the bull and see, wow, how come? Because some people sold it down. They are still around. So they will say, well, let's sell them and see what the price will do. All right? So there's a bit of fight during this candle here. For a bull to establish or to send away the bear or to confirm their intention to the market, this candle must be bullish. All right? If this candle is not bullish, which means we got now 25 minutes more for this candle to close. If it's not totally bullish, then the bull will start putting a question mark on this pattern. All right? I will be recording more video about candlestick, and a trader can learn from it. So we want a new higher high with this candle here. At least to stay bullish, at least. If it closes like this, where it is now, we will say, all right, maybe they're a bit hesitant. So let's go to the 3-minute chart. I want to pay attention to my volume bar. We are still waiting for some tall volume bar here. We haven't seen it here. If the price continues to go up, which means 200,000 stock has been translated, as you see here, 200K, 200K, that's 200,000, all right? So if you don't speak English, or, okay, K represent 1,000, okay, 2,000 K. So it's not much for this stock. We want millions, okay, of stock. Either they are loading it quietly here. We want to see if they are loading it quietly, they will at one point show their hand. But if this volume stays like this, it's not very good. See here, it's not very good. We want to see another tall candle, and the price continue to display a new high high. Okay. So the price now coming down again. It was at 31 before, now it's at 29. What I will do, because as I promised you, 48 minutes we are talking now. It's time to pause the video. But before I pause the video, traders that are following, I know exactly what I'm going to do now. My turquoise line, I'll put it there. So the reason why I record sometimes this live video, which is a bit time consuming for myself, is for traders to see it, okay, in real time, how to day trade, okay. So this is about how to day trade like a striker, okay. So I hope you like it, okay. So we are pausing the video, and the time in London is 37 minutes past 3 p.m. in New York, 37 minutes past 10 a.m. Pausing the video for the first time, and we'll come back to it after, okay, the candle on the 30-minute chart is completed. So I will speak to you very soon. Pausing the video. Okay, traders, we paused the video earlier on. My apology to traders, because I have to re-log into my TC2000 because screen was frozen, blah, blah, blah. and my drawings are gone. But if you remember carefully, this is how we see July 7, that's today, and we enter the price at 11002, putting our stop loss 40 pips below at 10960. Okay, somewhere here was our stop loss, 40 pips stop loss, and we were in this trade, all right? And we paused the video, I think around 10:37, all right, at 10:37 a.m. Eastern Time. That's 3:37 Eastern Time, London time, 3:37 p.m. London time. That's 10:37 Eastern Time. So now London is closed because 17:15, London is now closed. This is the gap period for traders that are trading stock. Okay, you need to be careful during this period. So, except if you want to day trade again, you have to wait until the last hour, okay, of the market to day trade again. But as soon as London is closed, I mean, it's done, it's finished. So nothing has happened today. As you can see, it gaps down and then consolidating, blah, blah, blah. This is what we are talking about. So I refer traders back to the video that we call how to day trade on Mondays at Joe Trio channel. So this is normal for Monday, blah, 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 blah. Okay, you see now, nothing has happened very much. But we are still in profit because we entered at 11002 and the price went to the highest point was 11046. I could take my profit there, but not much is going on here. What I will do is to move my stop loss to break even, or at least reduce it to 20 pips. Okay, so move it down. So you can do that. If you don't want to close it, you can reduce your risk or come out completely. All right, it's pointless. It's blah, blah, blah. Nothing's going on here. You see, this is a quiet market, and sometimes traders don't see it, and they get into trouble. Going back again to the 30-minute chart, you will see the candle that we were talking about. So we have this hammer followed by this bullish candle. We were expecting this one to be bullish, only to be bearish. So it's a quiet market, followed by another bullish, another bearish, and so on. So on these 30-minute charts, it's clear to us that we have what we call a balanced market, and this is good for scalpers. So if you hit this level, you come out, come down here, you buy again. So not very beautiful bullish day, but you never know. Sometimes the market will be quiet, and then few hours later, and then it just start going up. But we must keep watching this. I hope you have learned something from this video also about how to day trade like a striker. We were looking at Caterpillar stock, and I was demonstrating to you on a live chart how I entered this trade. The setup was the formation of the flat Elliott wave flat correction, and we are expecting the price to continue to go up into the zone of 112. Okay, and I entered the trade on the 3-minute chart. Okay, after the price changing direction on the 3-minute chart. So this is the end of this video. I hope you find it useful. Or have learned something from it, and we put it to use, okay, to make excellent day trading decision. I will let it run, okay, like I said, move it to 20 people and let it run and see what's going to happen. All right, so this is it. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you dislike it, okay, we want to know. Give us the thumbs down. If, all right, you have any comment, put it below, and this will help us to improve our, okay, video creation. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW 24 traders. Speak to you soon.